Action.
One bullet went through here, went through the chair into the wall there.
In February, armed robbers stormed this farmhouse and opened.
They don't know.
In April last year, they live in this squatter camp with hundreds of others who are jobless and landless. Local residents rioted when Makamola's body was found, lashing out at white residents.
It was for the first time me seeing Polini dead out. I'm telling you, it was for the very, very first time. And it was ugly, it was tense throughout the week.
They are rich here because they are exploiting black people.
White farmers have accused leaders of some political parties, such as the Economic Freedom Fighters, of using hate speech to encourage genocide.
It's an exaggeration. It's not even an exaggeration, it's a falsehood. There's no white genocide. There's no political movement to kill white people.
And they want to grow.
But the party does call for white farms to be handed back to the millions of black South Africans who work the land but don't own it.
They must leave everything they did not come with here in South Africa and go to Australia.
I mean, nobody here just gets land. Wherever you go, you have to buy your farm, you have to buy your land, you have to buy everything. And so the EFF guys, they just want to take land over, and they say that it's their land. So, no, it's a problem.
The South African government.
Okay, cards. Stage manager, Uber late. You must go back to Australia cards. That's why I'm confused.
Exploiting black people.
White farmers have accused leaders of some political parties, such as the Economic Freedom Fighters, of using hate speech to encourage genocide.
It's an exaggeration. It's not even an exaggeration, it's a falsehood. There's no white genocide. There's no political movement to kill white people.
And they want to grow.
But the party does call for white farms to be handed back to the millions of black South Africans who work the land but don't own it.
They must leave everything they did not come with here in South Africa and go to Australia.
millions of people.
And then he starts singing the song. The song says, kill the Boers.
But then, I'm not surprised. The government is the one that is sending people to come and kill us.
We are living in fear.
We have to put extra locks on each door. And more alarms in one house. They broke into my house. And they pointed the gun at my face. Hey, it's a party! They shouted, "What the fuck is that?" And they said,
I can't wait to kill a white woman.
At first, we thought that it was just a normal house break. Until one of them said,
"You, white people, you stole our land. Today, we're struggling, all because of you. We're poor, we live in shacks, squatter camps. And you live in big houses. We're coming for you, for everything, until you leave South Africa."
they shot me twice. Here and here. And the other bullet went through my neck. And then one of the attackers tried to shoot me on my forehead. But they got jammed.
Damn it! Fuck!
And then one of them went straight to my mom. Then he said, "I have never fucked a white woman before."
Today is my lucky day. Hey, that's a mishap, that's a no. Sumo! I mean, you know that why? Was I this or what? I said come and watch when I fuck this white woman.
Isabel, close your eyes.
Hey, Marshall!
Mommy!
White woman, you taste like sugar. Not to stop at this alright. Back to your positions. I said back to your positions.
Get up. I want those eyes. There is moot. There is a Kalama spell. Kalama! Show me the fucking spell. Achasa! Hey, listen here. Right trash. Essa que te olhei já até? Não sabe onde eu vou, mano. Assim não tem sincero, Lena. Só eu até com a mãe, velho. Vem me dar uma mão, babá. Se você não sei, tá lembrado, cara. Ué, não sou eu até. Que vai na batida mesmo. Ih, deixa aqui que não é.
Uthatha lisisi kahle. Uthatha lisisi kahle. Never uthatha lisisi. I hate these white people. I hate them, man. Uyabona bengibabona ngamehla. Ekuthatha komiti. Uyabona into engifunayo kubo. I want their pussy. Their money. Their eyes. And everything. And now, if you make a lady, so when you kill my so let's see the tomato. Tata the Malisa.
Our people are so scared right now. They say we must leave the country. We can't just let them leave the country. Even those people who are out there, they are now begging the country. They're so scared. They're living in fear. And this thing is getting too emotional. I'm so sorry. I cannot stand in this country. So sorry.
Are you not gonna let us go, Kama? Kama, are you not gonna let us go?
I must do my work. This is very important. Or do you want to see me fail?
Can't you do anything else? There must be something else that you can write about. You can write about love, poetry, how your body works. Can't they make you anything else?
Why are you so sensitive about it? What's bothering you?
Sorry, my child. It's just that I'm very concerned for your future. You did say you want to become a computer scientist. Why don't you do that, brother?
But then I'm still in grade 10, Mom, and I want to participate in everything they do in class, Mom.
Come, I'm not getting anywhere with you. I'm going to take this up with your teacher.
Come on, Mom, really? Just for a simple school assignment? Now you want to go to school and embarrass me in front of the whole class? Come on, Mom. All I'm saying is that I need your help, Mom.
I'm sorry, my child. How can I help you?
Really? Tell me you lying, Mom. Come here. All this news that you got my back. Mom, I've been searching the whole day. Let me show you what I got. I've been searching. Okay.
Let's see what you should.
Since 1984, after the first election, 4,000 bystanders have been killed during the apartheid regime.
Now this is propaganda. Let me tell you facts. Our forefathers were slaves.
Action.
This is propaganda. Let me tell you facts. Our forefathers were slaves.
Take this soldier! Move! Move! Move quickly!
They were taken by ship all around the world.
Now! Get onto this fucking ship!
Once they reached the destination, the men were separated from the women.
Listen! I want all the women! This side! All the men! That side!
Men did hard labor.
Get to work! Get up, get up!
Day in and day out, they worked the fields.
Work harder! You! Why are you not working? Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up! What? Get him out of here! You! And you! Get this one shot! Quit! Okay, that's right!
They were sodomized.
What? Say what?
Women did hard labor too.
I said I want big, fat potatoes. Now dig deeper.
At night, they were forced into prostitution. Used as sex slaves.
Get up. Right the man. Work. Mr. White. They're ready for you.
Action.
Used as sex slaves.
Get up. Mr. White! They're ready for you. Look at me. Open them up. Open. Alright, this is what I'm talking about. Black beauty. The woman I want. Alright, I'm gonna satisfy myself with you tonight. Oh. Stand up.
Chill.
Yes. Look at me. Hey, open them up. Wow, this is what I'm talking about. Black woman, an African woman, that I'm gonna satisfy myself with. Yes. Wow. Stand up. Stand up. Are you? I see you. I was with you yesterday, and you were so amazing. I'm gonna satisfy myself with you, okay? Over there! Come on! I need a boy! That's right. Hey, you. Come here. Is he strong?
Stop! Let him in!
Get off my face! Hey! Come here. Come here.
This one, very strong. 24 hours. You can check.
Yes.
The whole night.
All right. Hey, follow me. Follow me. Yes. The rest of you, back to work.
What?
Those who did not participate were killed.
With my command, I therefore send her to heaven.
You don't waste time.
Yes.
Okay, time up. Get up. Everybody can go to sleep.
That was then, Mom. Things have changed. My girlfriend is white. My friends are white. And you're the one who wanted me to go to a white school.
Karma, I sent you to a white school so you can have good education. Not the cheap education that we're getting in the townships. You must understand. Whites are racist. They still treat us like trash. Not too long ago, Eugene Terreblanche beat poor Muchai to a point where he lost the use of his legs. Mutlohela, poor Muchai died, a disabled man. A paralyzed man in 2017. He fed John Nzima to his dogs. He sodomized Chris Matamu, infecting him with the HIV virus. They still own our land. They still live in urban areas. Blacks still live in townships created by the whites. We are still poor. What change are you talking about?
Mom, that's the most barbaric talk I've ever heard in my life.
It's not barbaric, come on. We are not barbarians.
Sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you.
It's fine. I didn't raise you not to speak your mind. But I must tell you about my father. He was a good man. He loved me and my mother every day from work. He used to bring us gifts.
Action.
He brought us gifts every day.
Daddy's home, Mommy! Daddy's home with me today! Daddy, yes, Papa! Daddy's home, Mommy! Oh, yeah. Yeah, again, wait. Yeah, here. Hello, Daddy!
What do I sweetheart, Nana Papa,
What's everything? What's on?
Sit, sit.
What's the way that guy? I will not shine it out.
Thank you. Thank you.
My father, I've never seen him angry. He always had a smile on his face. Until one day, Uncle Lucky came to our house.
My leadership. Oh, Malaria. When you need jail, I'm seeing the my otherwise I'm happy. Yes, organization.
I'm good, my leadership. It's just that we are in short of soldiers like you to save this nation.
Like I keep telling you.
Chill.
My leadership.
Malaria. Dala ni jail, I'm saying it.
I'm good, my leader. It's just that we are in short of leaders like you, soldiers to save this country.
Malaria. I keep telling you that I'm not into politics. You know I'm a family guy. I've got such a lovely family. What do you think?
You see, that's being a coward. We need soldiers like you to save this nation. You're busy hiding behind closed doors just like women.
What's in it? Don't you ever disrespect me like that again.
Mama, now we'll have this money. It's what let's have. Money again, I let you have to face. This keeper says, if it doesn't die for Mungu to Hamu Terena, Sugu must buy, Sugu must buy, Sugu. That's why.
I'm so sorry, my love. You know Daddy really loves you. And I don't want anything that's going to put you or your mom in harm's way.
I've never seen my father like that. Never. I couldn't be angry with him. I felt very safe with him. Things went back to normal. So one day, the police came knocking at our door.
Police! Shut up! Are you too told? What are you doing in my house? Answer the question, sir. Are you too told?
What do you want here?
Please answer the question. Like cafe. You are under arrest.
No,
what?
Take my daddy.
They accused my father of being an ANC member.
Like cafe. We know that you are a member of the ANC.
This is not Tula! Shit!
Like cafe. Listen to me and listen carefully. I want them out. All their names. Give me the list.
They tortured him in an electric chair.
Switch on the electric chair. Now. Like cafe, we'll take the team today.
don't know where they took him to. Even worse, they didn't come forward during the TRC.